Now coming to the eighth one. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Second one, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Children, in a right angle triangle, right angle is at vertex B and also given that tan A value. By using the tan A value, we have to find the value of statement 1 and statement 2. For this, we have to find sin A, sin C values and cos A, cos C values. Okay. So observe the solution here. So draw the right angle triangle first by using the given information. According to this problem, right angle in a triangle, right angle is at B. Okay. So in this figure, I showed right angle is at vertex B. So given that in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 and also given tan A equal to root 3. Children, we can write root 3 value as root 3 by 1. That's why tan A equal to root 3 by 1. And you know that tan A value, tan means opposite side by adjacent side. That is opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. That is BC by AB equal to root 3 by 1. Means BC is root 3 and AB is 1. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the third side here because we don't know the third side. That's why hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So by using this, we can find the third side, that is AC is 2. Now calculate sin A, sin C and cos A, cos C. Sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side to A is BC, hypotenuse is AC. That's why sin A is root 3 by 2. So look at here, BC by AC, that is root 3 by 2. And now sin C, opposite side to C is AB and hypotenuse is AC. That's why 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. And similarly in this way calculate cos A and cos C. If you calculate cos A, the value is 1 by 2 and cos C, the value is root 3 by 2. Now substitute these values in the first statement, that is sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Sin A root 3 by 2, cos C, so where is cos C? Yes, root 3 by 2 plus cos A is 1 by 2 and sin C is 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square. And if you simplify this, the answer is 3 by 4 because square root get cancelled. The answer is 3, 2 square is 4. And similarly 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. If you do the LCM, the answer will be 4 by 4 and 4 get cancelled. The answer is 1. Okay. So this is the solution for the case 1, and complete the case 2, that is your homework.